Hello and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Deluxe Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box. I have already unboxed the mini, so definitely go and check that video out as well. So this box cost $100 and it has 8 items in. This is the first time I've ever ordered any of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I've always been a bit put off actually by like customs charges and how long it's going to take to arrive and everything like that. So very excited to get this unboxed, and let's have a little look and see what's in here. So I have managed over the last couple of weeks to avoid literally all spoilers online. I haven't watched any videos of anyone unboxing these, which normally I just love watching. I've avoided like Instagram and things like that to try and keep everything as a full surprise for myself. The only thing I do know that's in here is of course the Star Ranch palette, because that was announced in the summer collection and mystery box reveal. So without further ado, let's get this big box open. So first of all, we have got this really lovely blue tissue paper, and just gonna have a little feel around in here. Okay, so first thing we have got is a gloss, and this is in shade Tabletop, but I haven't actually tried any of his glosses apart from one that I picked up when he did his collaboration with Morphe, so I'm excited to see what this looks like. Of course, in the iconic packaging here. I mean, just so much attention to detail goes into these. This is really lovely. And I can already see this is going to be like a darker gloss, but it's got loads of really iridescent flecks in it, which I'm really excited to have a look at. And I'm not sure how well this is going to swatch on my hand, but okay, so it's almost like a mink brown colour with some really pretty iridescent, and I don't really know how well it shows up on the camera, but this is really gorgeous and definitely a really great item to add to my collection. I don't have an awful lot of lip products from Jeffree Star. I have a couple of the big bolts, but nothing else kind of too major, so this will be a really gorgeous gloss. If anything, it'd probably be quite a good topper to the one I've got on now, which is actually shade Leo. Next up, we have got 3 single shades. Now, these do just count as one item, despite the fact that there is 3 of them. Only one of these shades I recognise actually, which is shade Flourishing, which I know is in the Blue Blood palette, which I have. Such a gorgeous teal. I'm not going to swatch it because I already do have this one. I'd rather use that up first before getting this one used up, but it's just a really lovely teal blue matte shade. But next, oh, I think this one might be from Jawbreaker. So this is Lemon Drop. Oh, this looks gorgeous. So this is a really lovely yellow shimmer. This shade looks stunning. Let me get this one out. So there it is, just out of the plastic cover, and that just feels so buttery. That is a really lovely metallic shade. Definitely going to be getting good use out of this one. And last up, we have got a pressed pigment this time. This is O Positive, and again, I'm not sure what palette this is from. I'm gonna guess it's probably Blood Sugar, but I don't have that palette. I do have the mini, but I don't have the full size. Okay, so this is kind of like a minky purple matte. And so there it is outside of the plastic. It's definitely more purple when I've swatched it on my hand. Yeah, I think this will be a good like base shade, or definitely a good one to like buff out. But I'm really pleased with all 3 of these shades. I don't mind that I already have Flourishing in another palette because it is one of my favorite shades, and I'm really excited to just do some looks with the other ones that I've got. So can have a little root around and see what item number 3 is. Okay, what have we got here? So we have got a pink grapefruit velour lip scrub. I don't think I've ever actually seen this. I definitely need to like pay more attention to what products there are, but I love this little box. It's really cute, and I love the little grapefruits on the top. I think they're really sweet as well. So, oh, this is a really nice looking tub. I love how shiny the lid is. I'm like a magpie. That smells so delicious. I'm not going to put any on now because obviously I've got lipstick on, but this is like a full pot of lip scrub. This is like, they have not, you know, held back with the amount of product. I'll just put a little bit on my finger. It definitely feels really, really nice. Doesn't feel like really sticky or anything. I feel like this is going to be really good like exfoliation for my lips. Never tried any of the lip scrubs before, so this is a big thumbs up from me. And to top it off, it just smells absolutely divine. Okay, so I've just reached in for the next item in my Deluxe mystery box, and this time we've got something else that I've never tried before from Jeffree Star. We've got a tinted lip balm. I mean, first of all, how cute is the packaging? I think I've said it for everything. I just love the attention to detail and just how cute everything is. So this is in the shade Bloodstain. So I'm guessing this is going to be quite a dark red, which is a colour that I do really like. Oh, okay, wow. This is so amazing. How cool is that? And there is the lip balm. It's giving me like unicorn blood vibes. I've got that in one of my big vaults, so that's the kind of feeling that I'm getting just from looking at this to start off with. I don't know how well it's going to show up in a swatch. Oh, okay. It's actually, I'd say, a bit more kind of red wine colour on my hand. Definitely like a little hint of like a reddy purple there, but this is really nice. And I tell you what, lip balm comes in so handy, probably more so in the winter when my lips do get a bit dry. Wow, okay, so the next item I was definitely not expecting. So we have got this bag. This is so cute. This is like a little bum bag, and I love the colour. I love the big metal logo on it and just how it's all completely embossed with the Jeffree Star logo. Of course, all over the strap we've got very on brand, and really nice clasp here, which actually is just sealed down for now. Looks like it's extendable as well, which is really great. Good size inside. Got little mini pocket as well. No like zip pocket or anything, but I think it's a really, really good size. Definitely fit like your phone and your purse in here and just your everyday essentials. This is just really cute. I'm assuming you could put like all of your cosmetics in here because it does say that it's a cosmetic bag, but this definitely is like a bum bag, or if you're in America, like a fanny pack. So I suppose you could just use it how you wished, but this is just stunning. I don't have any bags or any apparel actually from Jeffree Star, but I really, really love this. This is so, so cute. Right, so next up we have got a velour liquid lipstick. Definitely I would say is my favourite lip product that Jeffree Star does. And this one here, funny enough, is Calabasas, which is actually one of my favourite shades. I have the mini one of these in the red and pink like big vault, so I'm not going to swatch this one or open it up just because I haven't finished the other one yet. I will just grab the mini just so I can swatch that for you. So it's just a really, really lovely like deep pink. It's a really, really wearable shade, and it's definitely one of my favorite shades. Well, I can see that there are just 2 items left. So the first one is actually really, really useful. So this is obviously like a little palette to put all of your single shadows in. So first of all, I love that this is like a metallic pink and it's all nice and see-through on the front so you can see your shades. I'm assuming it's magnetic. Definitely the kind of open and close is magnetic, so it's not gonna spring open when you don't want it. So obviously you can just fit all of your shades in here. And as I said, this is so handy because I've got the single shadows now, so really, really good idea, like a create your own palette with your favorite shades. I'm just going to pop my single shadows in here now and have a look and see how they look. So there's my 3 little single shadows all nicely in there. So yeah, this is magnetic, so they just slot right in. I like that obviously you can just move them around wherever you want and just create your own little colour stories with all of the single shades that you have. Obviously I've just got these 3 here, so definitely plenty of space to fill up, but yeah, I think this is a really, really cute idea. I've just got one item left, which I know for a fact is Star Ranch, and I have been saving to last because I think for me it's probably the most exciting thing because it is the complete unknown. So let's have a little look at that. Okay, and now for the moment of truth. I love that it's like super wrapped up. It's all bubble wrapped as well. Wow, even the carton, it's like textured. So this is all like imprinted in, and then this is all like textured. This looks so cute, and I can't even hazard a guess what the color story for this is going to be. Like I said, I have avoided every single spoiler for this. I could not tell you with any certainty what any of the shades in here are or anything. Oh, okay, that is so cool. So we've obviously got the gates to a ranch, nice metallic logo here, and I love that there's a pink horse and a pink yak. So it's got 9 shades in it, I do know that for certain. Oh my god, wow. Okay, definitely would not have guessed this as a colour story. How gorgeous is that? And I love a blue eyeshadow. These look stunning. That gold, oh my god, what shade is this? Owl Eyes looks gorgeous. So I'll give you a little close up. So that's a little close up. So what have we got here? We've got like a lighter brown matte, a darker brown matte, really bright gold shimmer. This is like a bronzy shimmer. This green as well looks interesting. So this is shade Star Creek, and that almost looks like a foresty green shimmer. Really, really lovely dark blue shimmer. This is Winter Wind. And then a really nice true matte blue, that is Grand Prismatic. And just finishing off here with this kind of sea blue shimmer. This is Old Jeff, which just sounds hilarious. So just another little look at those shades, and I was gonna swatch them, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a separate entire review of this palette and maybe do like a couple of looks with it. Nice solid neutrals and some really gorgeous pops of colour. So keep your eyes peeled for a full review coming soon. And that was everything in my Deluxe Jeffree Star mystery box. I can't wait now to go and watch everyone else's unboxings because I have avoided everyone else's videos, so this could be a true surprise for me. I'm actually really, really impressed and just really happy with everything. I think as well for $100, there's some like real good staples like the liquid lipstick. Really excited about obviously Star Ranch palette because let's be honest, it's gorgeous. So I did also purchase and unbox the mini mystery box, so definitely go and check that out if you've enjoyed this video. But thank you so much for watching. You know, if you did enjoy the video, do give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment letting me know what your favourite item was, or if you've got a particular favourite Jeffree Star item, I'd love to know. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.